Hey guys, today we're releasing our newest cannon and the newest member to the POOF family, and we want to give you a heads up on our 10 new gender reveals for 2020.
At the end of this video, we're going to share with you some of our canon gender reveals that we've pulled from our over 200,000 reveals that we've had the pleasure of being a part of.
What's up guys? We missed all your smiling faces over the last 3 months, and we are back to introduce the newest member of the POOF family, Jaden.
And he'll be joining us from time to time, depending on his sleep schedule.
And to celebrate, we are launching our newest cannon.
It's our 32-inch confetti, powder, and streamers all in one.
But before we dive into this amazing, spectacular, dazzling new cannon, let's talk about what this series is going to be all about.
During our family time away from the camera, we've invented 10 more gender reveal products for you guys.
And we'll be releasing them on this channel each week. So subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell to be alerted the next time we release a video with our new gender reveal inventions.
Some of you are like, why not just release them all now? My reveal's in a week.
And we might have over on our website, so pop over there to check that out. But we just haven't made one of these videos demonstrating them and hoping to prepare you for your special moment.
And others, we're still hammering out the details on safety, production, and making sure that they're perfect for your moment.
This dedication to quality is what has led us to be the #1 trusted brand in gender reveals, with big box stores calling us up asking to carry our products in their stores, since unfortunately they've been plagued with Chinese factories selling our knockoff products in their stores, and they cut corners and they ruin people's special moments. But enough business talk. Let's gender reveal. What?
Nothing. Let's gender reveal.
So let's get into the details of what makes this cannon fundamentally awesome.
These are our exclusive 32-inch cannons that allow us to put pounds of confetti, powder, and streamers and actually shoot the contents out properly.
So many people think that length is the unit of measure for how much will actually come out of the cannon, and that simply isn't true.
So, let me show you an example of theirs versus ours.
Madness!
Need more examples? Here are a few.
Holy moly! Oh, come on! You're killing me!
I think you get the point.
So let me elaborate on this a little bit. So back in 2016, we invented the very first gender reveal cannon. Since then, we made a lot of modifications, come out with a lot of new versions of our cannon and the structure of that cannon to what we have today, which is an amazing product that we really feel good about. Now, our competitors buying from Chinese factories are cutting corners in order to decrease costs, so they're skimping on contents and CO2 canisters. Now, by doing so, they not only lower the cost to the seller, but the seller is also saving on shipping weight. So what they do is they try to make their 2 cannons under 1 pound. And that's just not ideal for your guys' gender reveal.
And not to mention, they leak all over the place. So not only are we the only ones with 32-inch cannons in the market,
but we load them with pounds of contents and power them with huge CO2 canisters to provide that perfect poof.
These cannons are designed so that you'll capture the eruption of color out of the cannons, and the powder and confetti will fill the sky
And then the 20-foot streamers will rain down and you can capture that perfect keepsake picture.
If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button so we know to keep making more of these videos for you.
As we make new gender reveal products for your special day.
And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
And we'll see you next time with our new powder cannons.
And in the meantime, head over to our Instagram,
where you can join our community of over 40,000 followers and find inspiration from their gender reveals.
But now let's check out some of our canon reveals that are on there.